Can you butter a landing in water? Well, let's find out. Today, I'm gonna be rating your landings in water on a scale from 1 to 10, and I'll be giving out some 1 out of 10s as well as some 10 out of 10s. Also, the planes get bigger as we go, so stay till the end to see the A380 land in water. Now, this one's quite interesting. Look at this. That bounce. 7 out of 10.
150, 40, 30, 20, 10.
10 out of 10. Wasn't able to fully see the whole landing, but it looks like it was good, so 9 out of 10. That was so good. 8 out of 10. I told you to send me landings, not crashes. 1 out of 10. Seems too low, but overall quite good. 7 out of 10. The touchdown seems a bit hard, but overall 8.5 out of 10. Why are you approaching so fast? Oh my gosh. And did you crash on the shore? I wanna know. 5 out of 10.
Shout out to .airfun and go.subscribe to .him.
I agree, guys. You should smash that subscribe button if you're enjoying the video so far. Wasn't able to see the whole landing, but it looks like it was good, so 8 out of 10. Ooh, a Concorde. I don't think the plane would have survived that in real life, but let's go with a 5.5 out of 10. Ooh, another Concorde. And he's using failures to act it out as an emergency. Perfect. Why did it stop like that? At least the passengers are gonna be safe. 8 out of 10. Okay, first of all, I have 2 questions. 1, is this really you, Billy's Aviation? And 2, why does your video start at 52 seconds? Like, there's nothing, just a black screen before that. Anyways, that was a pretty nice landing. 8.5 out of 10. Bro's gonna land with gear down. So a bit of a rough landing, but 7 out of 10. Seems that you crashed. 3 out of 10. Now just hear me out. That was a good landing, 10 out of 10, but this competition is about landing in water, so I have to give you a 1 out of 10. Sorry, I don't make the rules here. Oh wait, I do.
10.
Now, a great landing, but as I said previously in the video, this competition is about landing in the water, so I'd have to give it a 1 out of 10, sorry. I just can't give this less than a 10 out of 10. I don't know why I like it so much. What is that? I'm not sure what I just saw. Let's give it a 5 out of 10 to be in the middle. Ooh, quite nice. 9 out of 10? What? What is he doing? That was such an interesting landing. 8 out of 10. A 747? That's gonna be interesting. Almost perfect. 9.5 out of 10. He just fell right into the water. But actually, in all seriousness, this landing was pretty good, so 9.5 out of 10. This one was also good, 8 out of 10. I think I have to mute this one because I'm pretty sure it's copyrighted. Couldn't see the point where he touches down. That means this landing was pretty smooth. 9 out of 10. But can the A380 beat it? Let's find out. The nose kinda dropped a bit at the end. I don't know if you were able to see that. 8 out of 10. And that was all from the landings, but now, if you thought these were crazy, then you definitely have to check out these ones next.